get ready with me for night time. So first, let's put our facial cream. Let's see, I put facial cream now. Let's put it on. Only a little amount because I'm not gonna put a lot. I'm gonna put a lot and then it's whirlwind. It's whirlwind the skincare. It's not skincare, I just call it that. Does it look like skincare? See? It looks like skincare. Put a little bit here, get here. Okay. Let's go.
Dito ka muna ako, para ma-electric pa lang ka.
Gusto ko dito.
Para mawalisan ko dyan, dito ka muna. Marunong pa kayo dito, di ba? Kasi mag-awalis ako dyan at magkaano ako.
Here. And then here. Then my neck again. And then lotion. It's a kangaroo with wait. Okay, touch on that. It's okay. I cannot. I know how. Yeah. Wait guys lang muna. Wait guys. Okay, get one. Oh my god, I forgot. Next is this. Wait lang guys muna. Lagi ko dito. So magkalagay ako. Wait guys.
Tapos ka na ba? Huwag ka na
Tsa! That's all for today. Bye! If you guys are wondering why I'm not posting, because I have last time. Sick. Because, I don't know, bigla lang. So, bye!